I really enjoy this class. I can use my brain, but I can also use my hands at the same time.
The kids in this class were super attentive. They weren't afraid to try new things. They saw how to problem solve while things were happening. And it's inspiring to see that we have a next generation of woodworkers.
My favorite part was honestly the errors. Things go a little bit wrong and be able to persevere through it.
When we talked about the project and there's imperfections and the things that they learned, I thought that was great because life is about doing things, making mistakes, learning.
When I see a finished product, I feel proud.
Get a little bit of gratitude once you complete something from scratch.
It's making something that you get to hold above yourself as an accomplishment.
It's very rewarding for us at Rockler when we see the confidence that comes into their eyes and into their heart, because that's going to not only give them confidence to be a woodworker, but hopefully give them confidence to deal with the things that will happen in their lives.